In this video, I'll talk through how to apply for funding for individual trees, mostly within hedgerows. So on this particular measure, we ask you to mark the locations of the trees you'd like to put in using this tool here. So this is my existing hedgerow that I've applied for on a previous measure. I'm just going to mark on here the trees that I'd like to put forward for funding. You're then asked a series of questions about the trees that you've proposed for funding. And then when you come down here, you are you're asked for a photograph of the location of the site. If you don't have one, don't worry, you don't have to upload that. And then down here, you'll be shown the overall price that you'll be paid for your trees, for your total price and the price per tree. Now we ask you for your minimum price that you'd be happy to accept for these trees, and if you'll always be paid more than your minimum price per tree, but as we get more bids into the auction, it's likely that this price will move down, and if that price moves down below your minimum price, then you will be removed from the auction and you're unlikely to be successful. Once you're happy with the details that you've added in here, click tick to accept terms and conditions, and then just click submit. And that will submit your application into the auction. You can then either proceed to the summary page, or you can add another bid if you'd like to place another bid for trees. But once you click submit, you can go through back and apply for any of the other measures that we have on offer. Once you finish, you click proceed, and that is your application submitted into the auction.